Small business owners are not looking for a robot takeover. They are looking for time back. In one small business AI survey, the median owner using AI reported saving 13 hours a week. So this video is about a practical target. Build a simple AI workflow that can save around 10 hours a week without letting automation run the business unsupervised. The problem is not that owners are lazy. The problem is that too much of the week is trapped in admin, accounting, messages, marketing, and small decisions. One accounting survey found small business owners spending about 20 hours a week on accounting functions alone. If even part of that work is prepared automatically, the owner gets focus back. The safest way to use AI in a small business is not to hand it the keys. Treat it like a front desk assistant, a draft writer, and a data clerk. It prepares replies, summaries, checklists, and recommendations. The owner still approves anything that affects money, customers, legal promises, pricing, or public reputation. Start with email because it is low cost, familiar, and easy to review. AI can summarize long threads, draft replies, pull out due dates, and flag messages that actually need the owner. This is where small businesses can get quick wins without changing how they sell, deliver, or serve customers. Next, stop making the owner hunt through 5 tools. The US Chamber reported that nearly all small businesses use technology platforms, and most use several tools in operations. The AI workflow should pull today's changes from sales, appointments, expenses, and customer questions into one daily dashboard. Customer support is another high-value workflow. AI can draft answers to common questions, summarize order issues, and suggest next steps. But refunds, angry customers, medical or legal topics, and unusual pricing should route to a human. The win is faster response time with clear escalation, not a chatbot pretending to be the owner. For marketing, AI is best used as a draft engine. Give it the product, the customer, the offer, and the tone. It can create first drafts for posts, captions, email newsletters, short video outlines, and add ideas. The owner edits for truth, local knowledge, and brand voice before anything goes public. Admin work is where savings compound. AI can read receipts, match invoices, prepare payment reminders, and summarize month-end exceptions. This does not replace bookkeeping controls. It prepares the boring work, catches missing information earlier, and gives the owner or bookkeeper a cleaner queue to review. The workflow should be simple enough to explain on one whiteboard. A trigger comes from email, a form, a calendar, or a spreadsheet. AI prepares the draft, summary, or classification. Rules decide whether it is safe to send forward. The output goes to a sheet, CRM, task list, or approval queue. The guardrails are not optional. AI should not automatically send refunds, legal promises, pricing exceptions, HR messages, medical advice, or public posts. Put approvals where the risk is highest. A good automation system makes decisions easier to review. It should never hide the decision from the person responsible. Now make the return practical. If the system saves 10 hours a week, that is about 40 hours a month. At 13 hours a week, the median reported in one AI user survey, the time saved is even higher. The business can reinvest those hours into follow-ups, better service, better marketing, or simply fewer late nights. Do not automate the whole company on day one. Pick one weekly workflow. Make AI prepare the work. Keep approvals in the loop. Measure time saved for 2 weeks. Then improve it or add the next workflow. That is how small businesses use AI safely. One clear process, one owner-approved result, and one measurable win at a time.